Yo, YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we have got yet another sneaker unboxing for you. Well, of course we have. That's always what we do around here. We have got a purple box. Now, can you guess what it is? I bet you know what it is because you've read the title. You read the title. And yeah, so I'm going to do the thing that we always do, and then we're going to have a look at these shoes. So we're going to flick to this camera, SJ. Thank you. We have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, Varsity Red, black, white. They are a UK 11. That makes them a US 12, everyone. They are, and that obviously makes them a women's US 13.5. I think the US need to, like, you know, like make women's sizes and men's sizes the same. That would just be more logical. And the code is BQ6817600. Right, SJ. This is what I've been waiting for. Like, I've been waiting for like the Chicago colorway on a dunk properly. You know, like how I love. Yeah, they should have done this years ago. I've just seen it, everyone. Right, let me just pull that out. Let me pull the other one out. They should have done this years ago. If they haven't, if they did and I didn't know, then I wish I'd got these years ago, because these, oh, whoa. Okay, so these are just a standard purple box, everyone. Standard purple box. And first initial impressions, yes, we love this colorway. They look so good, everyone. First of all, nice puffy tongue. I want to get this out, so that I can pull this out here. Oh my word. So take a look. I'm bringing it in. What do we all think? What do we think? Do we like this? It looks so strong. Of course, like it was going to, but I'm still surprised. So I'm looking around at it. So first of all, solid black there, on black and red, white on the heel, as we'd expect, all the way around. Standard SB Dunk sole there, as we'd expect. Now, the thing I wanted to look at with these, now we all love this colorway. I wanted to look at the materials because I was a bit concerned that the materials would be a bit, I don't know, meh. But the first impressions, they're not. So let's have a look at the red leather on the toe box, SJ. Can we see the quality of that? Right, I know, like, but like, just have a look there. They're going to crease really nicely. And I know some of you are screaming at me right now. Now I'm going to spin round because, in fact, SJ, we'll go to this one because the light's a bit brighter and hopefully people can see. Yeah, hopefully they can see this. Yeah, so the leather here, that is going to crease really, really well. And like, have a look at it. Right, if I bring that up, ooh, there. It's really nice. It's surprising. Now, the interesting thing is, so on the panel here, feels all right, feels nice. Same on the toe box, actually. I'm just going to squeeze that and you can see it's pretty soft. The interesting or fractionally annoying thing, I've seen this on a couple of my dunks. Have a look. You can't really see, so we're going to flick to the middle camera, SJ. Can you see the slight crease on the side panel there? Now, I don't know if that's coming across very well, but that's just there. Where? What else have we got? Oh, and there's a little crease. Sorry, SJ was just pointing something out to me because she's seeing these for the first time. There's a little crease here. Now, overall, when I start wearing these, they will start creasing nicely. But, oh, right, let's just marvel at it. Black laces. I know people are swapping in the white, and actually just because that's classic as well. And just to be clear, you got white standard SB laces with them, but right. So not perfect. You can see the glue stain, everyone, and that's, you know, there's a SB. You know, that's what we expect. We expect a little bit of mistakes at the moment. But I'm having a proper look round the shoe. Yeah, that's about the only glue mark that I can see. These are definitely a wearer. Definitely a wearer shoe. I love, like, it works so well. The Chicago colorway is just a banging mix of colors. Standard Zoom Air in these as well. So actually, I think, you know, if I'd got a Jordan 1 low and I got this, I think this will be the more comfortable shoe. it'll definitely be the more comfortable shoe. I'm curious as to what you lot think. Right, I know it's classic. I'm gonna bring it back in, but do you like that? Like, do you think it's lazy on Nike, or do you think? I think what we're gonna see from them this year coming up is there are many, many, many classic colorways out there. I think they're gonna rinse through them in the next 12 months. I genuinely do. Oh, like, I love this right now. Now, we've all got to do the SJ test now. We've got to do the E test. And the thing is, it's harder to, it's harder to see on these. Sorry, I've just seen the E. It's harder to see on these. Oh, he says dropping them down because the stitching is black as well. So I'm going to bring this in to you lot. And you lot can tell me. Oh, we go there. So I think this E is particularly bad. But maybe we'll go on to this camera over there, SJ. Because, oh my word. What do we think? There, we can see that much better. Look at that E. Right, first of all, have a look at this one. It's not bad. It's close. Then have a look at this one. I want to go to the factory and like get the machine just slightly recalibrated or something. I'm sure that's what it is, everyone. I'm sure it's the machine. It just needs recalibrating. Definitely. You know what I also love about these? I love this puffy tongue. Oh, these look so good. These are a pair of shoes that you want to put on your foot straight away. Definitely. Definitely you do. You definitely want to put them on your foot straight away. So what do we think? If you like these, by the way, give us a massive thumbs up if you like this video, if you like what we're doing on this channel. And don't forget, you will be able to see another one of our videos over here, but also come and see us on Sundays. Every Sunday we are on YouTube, Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That's 8 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Now go and watch one of those videos.